All right, Raymarine system pack. Oh, when is this? What model is this, dude? We'll have to look that up. I'll look it up. I'll put it in the description below. We're gonna open the box. Go ahead.
i40, i50, and i60.
All right.
It's like screws. These are the ponds.
Those are the pods.
Yeah.
And then these are the through holes, probably.
There we go.
New toys.
Yeah.
Instrument cluster for his sailboat. Nice.
Yeah.
Is that a second cover? Oh, it's a whole nother cover. You get to choose your prettiest.
Yeah. And then I guess these are mounted. Can you mount this? Yeah, you can. This back place comes off. I guess that comes off.
No, you don't know. This just screws right through the. This screws right through the.
Alright, I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah, that's your seal that goes on your you know, whatever wall you're putting it on. Yeah. And then you pre-drill the holes once you stick that down, and then you go through the screws through it. You'll probably end up needing longer screws. Ooh, she pretty.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, bro. Oh, that's the cord. Yeah.
Fuck yeah, go all the way up and down the mast.
That goes on top of the mast. It means we're gonna have to have enough. We're gonna need a fish wire that can go all the way up the mast inside.
That's this.
No, that's not a fish wire. Fish wire is a
Oh, I get what you're saying.
yeah,
Okay.
solid rod system that you can, so we can feed that through. You know, we get the rod up in through the mast and then feed it down.
Yeah.
That way it's inside the mast. At least I think. I don't know. We'll know for sure later, won't we? I don't know what that is.
Right here? Yeah, I don't know what this is either.
Yeah, there's something in there too. More odds and ends.
Yeah. Probably like hardware.
Yeah. Yeah.
Came pretty fast too.
This, I think, is the waterproof box where the wires go in, the wires connect, and then this covers everything so that it doesn't get any water, any moisture to it.
Yeah, hardware and shit.
Yeah, more hardware, yep. Yeah. Man, that's gonna stay in there so good.
It really did. Why didn't it fall out in the first place?
Kiss.
This bag and put it. Oh, it's supposed to go back. There we go.
I don't think so.
No.
This is gonna get hit by the box, isn't it? Or was it? Was it the other way? No. Flip that over. How does that go? It's gonna get hit by the box.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah. I was trying. It obviously goes like that.
Yeah, but I think that
Maybe
goes
one goes
inside. There we go. Flip it over. There we go. Now we're not looking so horrifying. There.
Big box down.
Alright, next.
It's like Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is another file.
Yeah, it's another one of those, yeah.
So yeah,
I think I kind of like the gray ones because they got the little tab on it to grab and pull it off.
Yeah.
The other one doesn't.
I didn't notice that.
The black one would look better, but the gray one's all.
I don't really. That's the same shit as fucking Dude.
It's probably through the holes. We got the holes in
I
the
can't
boat.
see these.
And all those features.
Yeah. So it's 3 of them. It's got a depth, a speed, and wind direction.
Oh, that's nice, man. Yeah, that's the depth finder. That's a good one.
Yeah. That's way better than the freaking little janky one you
Yeah.
put on the back of the boat.
Good shit, man. This one with the knots? Right?
Yeah.
Or that one might have been the knots. I think this one's the depth finder.
Maybe. Yeah, this one's smooth, so it is. So that one's got the little flippy paddle on it.
Yeah.
Yay.
What's that?
That's the part that actually goes through the bolt, and then this can unscrew
Okay, that's right.
out of it. So you can replace it without replacing the whole thing. Alright guys, I'll put this in the description below. Click the link. Peace.